Mike.
Hi, I'm Mike.
Nothing much to say.
Nothing much to
Just
say.
one
except
north to
going
Alaska
north
with
to
enthusiasm.
Alaska with enthusiasm.
What is your memory?
With memories.
Join us next year.
Join us next year.
Good morning, Lee Eversole, St. Augustine, Florida. Going to Alaska with enthusiasm. I've been trying to do this trip initially for my 70th birthday. We missed that one.
Hey, I'm Steve Evans. I'm from Lake City, Florida, and I'm here with Mike and the gang, and they're all going to Alaska, which I will not go this year due to an injury, but I'm going with Mike next year in 2015. And we're about to get on I-75 and head north towards Atlanta, and these guys are going to have a great trip. I hope everybody has a good weekend.
Hi there, Cindy Eversole. Love to ride my Deuce. Happy to go on this bucket list with my husband. My bucket list is the Inside Passage to Alaska with enthusiasm.
Oui, bonjour. Mon nom est André Desbiens. Je suis de Boynton Beach, Florida. Et j'ai entendu parler de ce voyage. Oh, I learned about this trip from Jerry. I was going to switch to English now. And this is a trip of a lifetime, you know. I've been doing some trip from New York to Miami, but this is much longer, much nicer. I can't wait to be in the Rockies on the motorcycle. Thanks, Mike, for this trip.
Hi, my name's Ken Klutz, also called Robert by the gentleman behind the camera. I'm from Longwood, Florida, and I'm ready to head to Alaska, where people are born free with enthusiasm. I'm looking forward to the trip because it's going to be a trek right through the north and out toward the west up to Hyder, and I've never been to Alaska nor that part of Canada with the exception of British Columbia. So I'm looking forward to it with enthusiasm.
Hi, my name is Jerry Greeley. I'm from Lake Worth, Florida, retired, and I think it's a privilege to be able to take this trip with Dr. Mike and other riders. I'm dedicating this trip to three people. First, to a fellow named Benny Gostella, a rider with us in Florida who died of cancer last fall. And Andre is riding Benny's beloved Harley Davidson motorcycle to Alaska. The second person I'm dedicating this trip to is a young attorney from Boca Raton, Florida, who died of brain cancer last fall, with a courageous battle with brain cancer for 8 years, and I'm riding his BMW 1200 GS to Alaska. And the third person I'm dedicating this trip to is a remarkable young lady from my former hometown in Gloucester, Massachusetts. Her name is Amy Montemino. She was born deaf. She's had an inspiring life. She's learned to speak. She's excellent at sign language. She's had cochlear implants, and she's an inspiration not only to her family, but all the friends who have known and loved her through the years. So to Amy, and to Brian, and to Benny, this trip is for all of you. We're hoping for a successful trip all the way to Prudhoe Bay.